Hey everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Wow friends, see, here is the many colorful toys. Wow, all are serially arranged. See, and now I will hand drive all of this toy with my hand. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is momentum trucker. Wow friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this momentum trucker. This one is pink color, white color, yellow color and paste color combination. And next one is a 3D DS Tarzan car. So let's go. Wow, I parked here beside this momentum trucker. See this color, this one is white color, pink color, blue color, black color and silver color combination. And next one is military tank. Wow, this one is very nice. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this 3DDS Tarzan car. Wow, this one is very nice and colorful. See this? This is the yellow color, green color and black color combination also. And next one is a cartoony car. Wow friends, I parked here beside 3DDS Tarzan car. See this color, this one is black color, yellow color, white color and green color combination also. And next one is a power backhoe. Wow. Wow friends, I parked here this power backhoe. See this color, this one is black and yellow color combination. And next one is a green double decker bus. See this? So let's go. Wow, I parked here this bus. See this color, this full body color is paste color and there is many color combination Benton sticker. And next one is a Benton sticker car. Wow friends, I parked here beside this bus. See this Benton car, this one is very nice and colorful. See this green and black color combination also. And now there is the last one is Reptane car, Reptane bike. Wow. So I will try this one also. Wow, I parked here beside this Benton car. See this Reptane bike. This one is black and red color combination. Wow, friends, see all of my vehicles are parked here. See, all are nice and beautiful. Now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful toys.